Prepare for the presentation of a lifetime, presenting spills of a lifetime. When we left off, oil spills were affecting fur-bearing mammals and the water repellency of a bird's feathers, thus exposing these creatures to harsh elements. Without the ability to repel water and insulate from the cold water, birds and mammals will die from hypothermia. The timeline here shows the countries that were the worst. 1991. The Gulf War oil spill is estimated to be the largest oil spill in history. In order to ward off a potential landing by the United States Marines, the Iraqi military dumped up to 1.5 million tons of oil from the several tankers into the Persian Gulf. The oil damaged the ecosystem in the Persian Gulf around Kuwait and Iraq. December 12th, 1999, the oil tanker MV Erika sinks off the coast of France after a heavy storm. The tanker released thousands of tons of oil, which killed marine life and washed up on shores around Brittany, France. July 2006, up to 30,000 tons of oil leaked into the Mediterranean after the storage tanks at the Jaya power station were bombed during the Israel-Lebanon conflict that year. The slick killed fish, and there are fears it may have increased the risk of cancer. February 15th, 1996, the oil tanker MV Sea Empress hits rocks while entering the Clydach Estuary in Wales, spilling up to 73,000 tons of oil into the bay. The spill was deadly to the local bird population. This causes other animals to perish, and when an animal is dead and another is there, it becomes infected when it eats and swims in its dead flesh, and their meat becomes infected. Too bad, because if they had just found a more resourceful way of disposing their oil, then they could have saved our planet. And if you want to help to save your animals, then you could start doing these 3 things. Watch how you're using water. Walk or ride your bike to school. And number 1, put the can in the right bin.